Hello everyone. First, open your Telegram Messenger. Now, go to a group or channel, for example. Now, tap on add icon and choose the poll. Now, as you see, the first box you must write your poll question, for example. And in the second box, you can add 10 options as answer. For example, and more. This is a normal poll, and if you tap on create, the poll will be published. Also, we have more settings. For example, multiple answers. If you turn this option on, the member can also choose good, bad, and other answer options. Also, we have a quiz mode. If you turn this option on, you must choose a correct answer for that question. For example, the answer is good, and also after you choose quiz mode, you can add an explanation. User will see this text after choosing the wrong answer, good for educational purposes. After all settings, for publish your poll, on the top, tap on create. Now, as you see, your poll published. Also, if you tap on that poll, you have a few options. You can stop the poll, and also you can delete the poll. In the desktop, you must go to the channel and group. In your right side on the top, click on three line, and from the menu, choose create poll. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.